Welcome to my Facebook Live. I'm so happy you are here. If you are viewing on YouTube, thank you for visiting. My name is Rachel Brumley, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator living in beautiful Northwest Arkansas. Now let's get to stamping. Today I'm working with the awesome Thoughtful Journey Designer Series paper and the Wonderful Thoughts bundle for the greeting. Here's a card that we'll be working on today. Isn't this pretty? I really like how this turned out. I have to say that I cased it from, I can't remember her name, just a minute. No, I can't find her piece of paper. I'm sorry. Anyway, I did case it. I found it on Pinterest, so I really liked it, and I thought, well, I'm going to do the same thing. It's so quick and simple and easy using the Thoughtful Journey Designer Series paper. Oh, before I forget, I use the Hi Friend from Wonderful Thoughts, and the only thing used, I used the, what is the name of that? Flowers of Beauty dies. I really like how they turned out. These are, I just dyed, I have 2 of these die cuts, and this is what I took it from. This is the Thoughtful Journey DSP. I love this paper. These are 2 die cuts, what I've gone ahead and done just to cut down on the time. And these are the 2 dies I use. This is for the Hi Friend, the greeting. And of course this is for the sprigs. I also use the Dashing Designs 3D embossing folder. And for the bow, I use the Simply Elegant trim, which is retired, but I really like this. Sorry, but I don't like the current gold trim they have in their catalog. For the embellishments, this is from a past paper pumpkin kit, and I don't know which one it was, but thought I'd use it all up. Now, for the sizes, of course, this is the envelope and the flap, and this is 6 by 2.5. For the inside of the card, the DSP is 5 1/4 by 4 inches, and the white, basic white, is 5 inches by 3 3/4. For the front of the card, the DSP is 5 1/4 by 4 inches, and the front panel is basic white, which is 5 by 3 3/4, and as you can see, I've already embossed it. So why don't we put this card together? This is going to be really quick and easy, fast and easy, I should say. How's everybody doing today? I think this is the perfect card because it is so dark and gloomy. But we just need a light and airy card to brighten somebody's spirit. So I hope This at least brings a smile to your face. I hope you guys have signed up for word card. What is it called? World Card Making Day. I think it's October 5th. And it's a free registration. Only thing is, I did put out a list on my blog of what you have to buy if you want to participate. You know, make a card as they're making their card. So, or you can just watch it and enjoy it. That's what I do. I know a friend of mine is having some people over to watch it with her, and I think that would be fun. Can't believe this thing. I go through this thing like crazy. Oh, I think her name was Sue Moore. Yes, I should have remembered. She makes the most gorgeous cards. And let me tell you, I case her a lot. Or I'm inspired with her. I always change things, as I did with this card. It's not exactly the same, but you can tell that the idea came from her. She does gorgeous cards. I guess my little, this is not working. Do something. I have to make sure I don't overdo it with the glue. You don't have to glue every leaf. But I do like to glue all the stem. That should do it. Now this one I will have to put a little bit more glue on since it's the top layer. But still not a lot. How's everyone doing today on this foggy? It's not cold, it's in the 70s, so it's nice out there. And I welcome it after the 90s last week or the week before. Alright, and you guys into scrapbooking? I just ordered a kit, which means as soon as I can dig up some Halloween pictures, I will be demonstrating the kit. Oops. to make sure it stays down. Oh, let's do this first. How do you guys like your dots being on the, I don't know what's on the inside. I guess they must have changed the way they do it. I know I wasn't too happy with the dots being inside. I'm confused. They used to have them on the outside. Now they have them on the inside, which I do not like. Did I not tell you this would be a quick and easy card? Just make sure I got that. Now I'm not going to do anything to the inside since it would take away from this beautiful border. Here we go. And last but not least, the envelope. If you don't have a demonstrator and you would like to purchase something from me, please use my host code when ordering. It's KA4R7FWH. I would really appreciate it. If you're on YouTube and you like today's project, please like, subscribe, and share. I'd appreciate that also. Let me know if you're into scrapbooking. I may start a different page for that. I don't know yet. Depends on how popular it is. Anyway, here is today's card. And this is the card I made as a sample. Aren't they beautiful? I just love this color. And I love the way these turned out. You know, using the back of the Thoughtful Journey DSP. Whoops. Oh my goodness, you wouldn't believe how many times I forget to put embellishments on. Can't have that. It adds so much more to it. Well, thanks for stopping by, and hope you can stop by next week. And if you'd like to see other projects or other cards that I've created, please visit my blog at www.stampwithrachel.com. Thanks again for stopping by, and have a great day.